In this video, I'll show you how to reset universal remote for Samsung TV. At the end of this video, I will also show a picture of my dog. Step 1. Soft reset smart remote. Press and hold the return and play pause buttons at the same time for about 5 seconds until the red LED flashes. Release the buttons. Step 2. Hard reset smart remote. Press and hold return and multi-view together for 5 seconds. Then release when the LED flashes. The remote should be fully reset. Step 3. Reset standard universal remote. Remove the batteries. Press and hold the power button for 8 seconds to drain residual power. Then reinstall the batteries and test the remote. Step 4. A factory reset with codes. For universal remotes, one for all or GE models, remove a battery, press a button to discharge, and reinsert the battery. Press and hold 2 and 8 together within 6 seconds, and then enter the code 981, and then the LED light will blink 4 times and your remote is reset. And that is how you reset your universal remote on Samsung. This is a nice picture of my dog because you made it till the end. Subscribe.